Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Evony on your mobile device. So let's get started. First, make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your app store, go to the search box and type in Evony and search. Look for this application that says Evony from Top Games Inc. Tap on the Get button to begin the download process. Evony is a multiplayer online game by American developer Evony LLC. The application is available for Android, web browsers, and Adobe Flash Player. Wait until the application is downloaded on your preferred device. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see the Open button. Tap on it to launch open the app. That is how you can easily download Evony on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.